Hello, this is John Piper with the weekend video clip, and it's Saturday the 26th of October, and we're looking here at an hourly chart of the Dow. This is the peak so far, this is the impulsive decline, and it's very sharp 5-hour advance to there, a subnormal pullback, and now a 1, 2, 3, we've got the pullback midweek I was talking about, and now a possible fifth wave here. So right now, you'll notice it's quite a distinct slowdown from this move to this move. It's all about new highs at this point in time. On the Dow, we could be doing another pullback. It's possible this is still a corrective type move. Other markets look more positive, but really it's a question of wait and see at this point. With 5 waves up, suggestion is we're going to see some kind of pullback at this point. Let's look at the S&P now. The S&P is clearly strong. It's made new highs. Moving to test this trend line I mentioned last week, which has been quite well documented, as I said in the last clip. So that's got a bit further to go. Maybe let's have a look at that in the short-term action on that chart. Go down to the hourly chart, and you can see that the rally here that could be a 1 up to there, possible 2, 3. Sorry, that's a 1, 2, 3. What's going on my arrows today? 3, 4, 5. So again, this could be a. Also on this bit, it's sharper. So we've got a sharp move there, and although it's slightly marginally slower, it's still of a certain pitch. So it depends. If we see a corrective decline now, maybe with support around 1740 on the S&P, then that would suggest that we will be seeing one more rally here to complete the fifth wave. But right now, there's nothing to suggest that it's other than an uptrend. Have a look at FTSE. FTSE is really giving the same picture. Okay, this may be an impulsive decline, but this counts as well as an impulsive rally at this point. ABC pullback, again suggesting that we're going up, and a very strong rally here. So the case here is for a bit of downside and then another rally. So have a look at the shorter term here. Similar pattern to on the Dow, nice sharp advance, number 2. I suppose we could count that as a 3 actually, with a 4 and then possibly a fifth wave here. So it might be we've got 5 already, but again a pullback with support around 650 initially seems to be called for. But with the time of year we're now heading into the Christmas period, I would think it quite likely we're going to go up into the new year now. So maybe worth if we see something good, we'll go along. I think of these markets. Okay, let's have a look at gold quickly. No change here. ABC rally off the low, suggesting that the low will not hold for long. This is another corrective move, ABC. So it looks like we've got a C wave coming in, which should take us around 1500 thereabouts before we go down again. Not mandatory, but that's a count for now. We'll have to see how any moves develop. Let's look at the short-term action now. Got an interesting pattern here. Actually, we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then possibly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's a case there of saying we've got some kind of ending diagonal on this particular move. It seems to be going into some kind of trend channel, or we can draw it like this. But whatever it is, I mean, it could be said to be impulsive given we've got 5 waves there, but on the other hand, the ending diagonal is not encouraging, so we could just break down at this point. My inclination is to stay away from gold right now. It's not doing anything of great interest, so I mean it's nice to look at. It's the pattern's a curiosity, but where it's going is a difficult call. Right, pound euro. Right, pound euro. I had an extreme stop below here, which I talked about in the report on the last video. We broke down. We've been blipping up and down a bit. It's been a bit not easy to hold. I did reduce the position size slightly. We're in profit at this point. I say we. I mean, obviously it depends whether you took the trade or not. Bit of a spike there though, which is a bit of a contra-trend indication. Plus the count here is not 100% clear. Could be a 5 to there. That could be a 2 wave. Then we've got 1, 2. But no acceleration yet. So I mean, if this is impulsive, we should be seeing some kind of third wave down soon. But at the moment it could be some kind of ABC. So you look at it as an A, B, maybe as a C. but we can count a 5-wave move down to there perhaps. So this could be a 4, maybe a little blip down as a 5th. So it could be we're seeing the first phase of from there to there. It could be a complete wave 1 of this 3rd wave move. But if so, that means we could easily blip up to there or thereabouts. So make it hard to say with a trade. So again, it's I'm currently short on pound euro. I've also got dollars, as I mentioned before. Also got euros, of course, by buying the Spanish property. Apparently, Spain's actually out of recession this quarter. Although I wouldn't put too much reliance on one set of figures. But right now, it's a little bit indifferent. I think I'm planning to stay short on pound euro, but we might see a bit of a rally before it comes down in earnest. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you found it interesting and useful. I'll be back with the opening report on Tuesday morning. Have a great weekend. Apparently we're facing some kind of hurricane tomorrow. The paper said the worst in 20 years, which I guess could be interesting, or not, depending on where you are. But good luck with that, and speak to you again soon. Thanks again. Bye.